What's up everybody, Marcus here. In today's video I want to teach you how you can slow down or speed up your video in a SONY VEGAS 16, and I hope you like it. If you do, if this video is helpful, please, it takes only one click to support me with subscribe, so thank you. So what you want to do, I have a clip now from Apex Legends.
Behind me.
I'm running. I got him, bang, see ya. Okay, and now let's slow it down. All you have to do is to press Ctrl and be on the end of the clip. So I'm pressing Ctrl right now, and while you see the time stretch, and now I'm moving it. Right now I'm making it faster. Let's make it to 200%. Okay, so you can see it better. And now look how fast it is. Be really careful. You need to have it also with your audio on the same time, because if you go and let's say that I'm only going to deselect audio and I'm going to speed up only the video, it's going to be messed up.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, and now let's make it much slower. Okay, so we are going back to 100%. We got it back on 100%, and let's make it slower to even, I don't know, yep, let's make it to 60%. All right, and what we got here, let's see. Right now I'm moving slowly. And let's go. 1 hit. Second hit. One, he's down. Man, I love this game so much. And yep, that's all. That's all. How easy was that, right? If you enjoyed this, definitely write a comment or even subscribe. Thank you very much everyone, and goodbye.